Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change a Tesla Model S steering wheel. Before touching anything, safety is paramount. You must first disconnect the 12-volt battery, typically located in the frunk, and wait a minimum of 5 minutes for the system to fully power down. This prevents any accidental airbag deployment. Also, make sure your front wheels are pointed perfectly straight ahead. This ensures proper alignment for reinstallation later on. Let's get started. Now that your Tesla is safely powered down, let's tackle the airbag. You'll find two small access holes on the rear sides of the steering wheel. Using a small flathead screwdriver or the appropriate Torx bit, carefully insert it into each hole to release the internal clips holding the airbag. Once released, gently pull the airbag assembly forward. You'll see two electrical connectors, a yellow one for the airbag itself and a brown one for the controls. Carefully disconnect both, then place the airbag safely aside, face up. With the airbag removed, it's time to detach the steering wheel. You'll need a 10mm hex socket and a breaker bar for the large central bolt. This bolt is usually quite tight, so apply steady pressure. Before fully removing the wheel, it's highly recommended to mark the steering column shaft and the wheel splines with a pen. This ensures your new wheel aligns perfectly. Once the bolt is out, gently wiggle the old steering wheel off the column. Be careful not to rotate the clock spring behind it. Now for the exciting part, installing your new steering wheel. Carefully slide the new wheel onto the steering column, aligning it precisely with the marks you made earlier and the column splines. Insert a new central patch bolt and tighten it to 80 Newton meters or 59 foot-pounds, using a torque wrench. Reconnect the brown and yellow electrical connectors to the airbag. Finally, align the airbag assembly and push it firmly into place until you hear two distinct clicks, confirming it's secure. Reconnect your 12-volt battery and you're all set to test your new wheel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.